Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study in first year of medical school. First, focus on understanding the fundamental principles of each subject. Don't just memorize facts, grasp the why behind them. Establish a daily study routine, dedicating specific blocks of time to each course. Review lecture content within 24 hours to reinforce learning and identify areas needing more attention. This proactive approach builds a strong knowledge base. To truly master the vast amount of information, embrace active learning. Instead of passively rereading notes, test yourself frequently using flashcards or practice questions. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to embed it into your long-term memory. Try teaching concepts to a study partner or even to yourself. Articulating ideas helps reveal gaps in your knowledge. Effective time management is crucial for preventing burnout. Schedule regular breaks throughout your study sessions and incorporate physical activity into your week. Consider joining a small study group. Explaining concepts to peers and discussing challenging topics can deepen your understanding. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. Prioritize a healthy diet and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly. Leverage all available resources, from recommended textbooks to online question banks and anatomy apps. Don't hesitate to approach your professors during office hours to clarify difficult topics or seek guidance. Their insights can be invaluable. Remember to check the description for links to helpful study tools and other great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker. Consistent effort and smart resource utilization will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.